逆转胜。好，看张 Efren， 哦，这个更高级，这更高级。
Well, no, he didn't. Watch the 8. Watch the 8. Oh, my.
See stroke shots that we practice.
That's to assist in the pocketing of the one should he come that close on the hit. See, all right, he's got an excellent chance to make the one because of the right English.
What a call! What a call!
Battle to kick things off.
This opponent is sponsored by JNS Sales.
Well, we're here to tell you that's just exactly what you've got. Not many open seats in this arena either. They all come to watch Reyes.
That was one at a time. You see what he did there? The other
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。Another one.
Wow, how the break can make you, or literally break you. That's what happened in that.
NANI?! もう死んでいる。
It helps you to play position easier. He's hit a little harder. He's coming back over for the other pocket.
Break can make
I didn't like that he might have got straight in it.
That's what happened in that. The 7 ball.
Get straight in, now I could have a problem.
Isn't it ironic how the break can...
Magandang araw mga kabilyar! Ito ang US Open 9 Balls Championship 1994. Efren Reyes versus Tony Elin.
Magician from the Philippines, Efren Reyes. He's called the Magician because of his cue ball control. You'll see a lot of spectacular shots from Efren.
Nasa 40 years old na si Efren sa panahong ito. At kasalukuyan, rank number 8 sa Pro Billiard Tour 1994.
Called Tony Ellen Hurricane. He makes wind when he uses that thing, doesn't he? Hurricane Tony Allen, definitely. Tony, you never know when he's going to explode out of the gate. He's got such a powerful break that at any time he could run 4 or 5 racks, even the set out.
10 years old na naman ang American player at rank number 5 sa Pro Tour. Tara na, i-like ninyo ang video at huwag natin itong patagalin pa. Let's go!
You have to be at the table for the win. Like you've seen the match that he played with him in second. You really get much of it.
Ito na ang semi-final na napakalaking tournament na ito sa US. Nanaig si Tony Elin sa lag kaya siya ang unang mag-break.
Advantage slightly go to Tony.
I believe Tony breaks the balls better than Efren. Yes, I think that's going to be a big part.
Tinawag niya Yuki rin o Bagyo sa Tagalog ang American player dahil napakalakas nitong mag-break.
Has a nice layout. As you can see, the 7-9 right here, that could be a little tricky, but table the whole rack here. Bringing it back up.
2 bola ang nakuha ni Tony sa break. At siya ang unang may pagkakataon na makapuntos. Si Tony Elin ay isang top-rank professional pool player ng Amerika. At nakuha nga ni Tony Elin ang unang rack. Isang napaka-impressive na break na run out habang si Efren naman ay naghihintay lang ng chance.
Very hard. Notice the cue ball right there in the middle of the table. He's pocketed the 8 ball.
Magpatuloy tayo sa pangalawang rack. Winner break kaya si Tony pa rin ang nag-break.
Get this ball without playing good safety.
Walang kita sa uno kaya nag-push out ang American player.
This ball right here, isn't that perfect? Makes a great shot there. Tony will be forced to shoot.
Napakagaling ng ginawang safety ni Efren. Nakatago ang cue ball sa likod ng dos.
The thinking to the American players.
Well, Tony's missed an easy kick. I was surprised at that. Tony should have hit that ball. When the their expertise in doing that. Nice layout now. He's got ball in hand.
Sinubukan ni Tony mag-kick shot. Kaya lang, hindi niya napatamaan ang uno.
Straight in the pocket. Stop the cue ball as he...
Bulinhan na ang Pinoy dito at open layout na ang lamisa.
Play at this level, you think about 3 shots ahead.
Isa sa kahinaan ng mga American player ay ang kick shot. At alam ito ni Efren kaya defensive style, isa sa strategy niya.
Out in the middle table for the 9 ball. Over to the side rail. There it comes. Perfect.
Somebody, not Efren Reyes. Isn't it ironic how the break can make you or literally break you? That's what happened in that.
At nakuha na ng pambato natin ang una niyang puntos.
Great break he has. Keeps the cue ball under control. Brings it over to the rail. And he has made 2 balls on the break.
Ito na ang pangatlong rack.
Got the one to go and
Ang galing ng break ni Efren, 2 bola agad ang nakuha niya. At may opening shot din siya sa uno.
about the way
wind up than most of us players are used to. Now he's played the cue ball a little bit farther than the center of the table. He wanted to make sure he had a shot. He wasn't taking a chance of the 9 ball being in. Bring the cue ball in the middle of the table.
Open na dito ang mga bola. At wala nang problema sa rack na ito.
Ball. And he's hit this shot perfect.
And since that time, after a tough break and a beautiful watches, the magician has gone to work and now takes a 2-1 lead.
At isang napagaling na break na run out para kay magician. Punta na tayo mga kabilyad sa rack 4. Si Efren ang magbe-break.
You now.
Now you do.
I know that you were instrumental in the progression of this tour. The 8 ball did go down. Wide open here.
Low right-hand English are used here. One back out in the middle.
At tingnan ninyo ang break na ito. 2 bola ang nakuha ni Efren at napaka-spread out ng mga bola.
4 ball. The cue ball bring it.
It helps you to play position easier. You know?
Pinakita ni Efren na ang break ay hindi lang sa lakas, kundi nasa technique din.
He's hit a little harder. He's coming back over for the other pocket. But I didn't like that he might have got straight in. If he gets straight in, then I could have a problem. But he doesn't. He has an angle to the side pocket for the 7 ball.
Sa panang ito, ang taas ng kalibre ng paglalaro ni Efren Reyes.
And he does, and this one very, very sharp. So he gets 3 in a row.
Lamang ng 2 rack, si Efren 3-1 na ang score.
He's really been breaking them well.
On the break, the 9 ball in the middle.
Magpatuloy tayo sa pang-5 rack. Sa kasamaang pala dry break si Efren sa pagkakataong ito.
He's hit that perfect.
Any other troubles?
Ito na ang chance ni Tony Ilin para makabawi.
That's a great shot.
Yep. Far behind, already down. This is an important game.
That's a great shot right there.
Kilala si Tony Ilin sa buong Amerika dahil sa powerhouse break shot na ito. Ang kakayahan nito ay tinuturing niyang advantage sa ibang pro players.
Now around the table.
Allen only
Kaya Harking Tony ang tawag sa kanya ng mga kalaro.
makes it look easy. And all he needs is a 3-2, that's the score.
Now, hindi rin basta-basta itong katunggali ni Efren dahil magaling rin ito tumira.
Go in the pocket a lot. Wow, he hit them hard.
He hit him hard. The cue ball's in the middle, but nothing went in, similar to what happened with Efren Reyes the last time. Now,
Ito na ang pang-anim na rack. Napakalakas man mag-break ni Tony. Walang pumasok kahit isang bola. Kaya si Efren na ngayon ang nasa misa at open layout na siya dito.
He has a really nice layout here.
Si Sandaan ang sumali sa tournament na ito. Lahat professional players galing sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Hanggang 4 na lang ang natira kasama si Efren Reyes.
We go cut the 5 ball in the corner. Right English on the cue ball.
you say right-hand English. Oh, wouldn't go.
Wow, he's overcut the ball.
Na-short sa position ng county si Efren sa 5. Kaya mahirap at manipis ang tira kaya sumablay siya.
Allen, I mean, don't waste a second, don't blink, because he...
Speed is very important here. You gotta watch out for the 8 ball. If he banked it, and he's playing safe at the same time if he hit it hard enough. I don't know if he...
Malaking pagkakamali sa position play dito ang American players sa City. Kaya nagkaroon ng chance uli makabalik sa misa si Efren.
He's happy to be at the table.
Efren Reyes got a break and missed safety, and...
Dalawang racks na ulit ang lamang ni Magician or Toto. Marami pa mangyayari dito mga kabilyar. Kaya magpatuloy tayo.
Oh, Efren's let the cue ball fly. Notice the cue ball went around 3 rails.
Ito ang rack 7. Minakuha ang bola sa Efren sa break. Kaya lang, walang pocket sa ono. Kaya ito na lang ang ginawa niya.
Back up table, but I think he's gonna hit... Oh, he hit it hard. He wants to bring the cue ball back up table. I think he liked it the wrong way of playing it. But he's gotten away with it. He brought the... Notice the cue ball. Notice the cue ball. Excellent placement of the cue ball. Tony's going to be forced to kick at the 1 ball. I believe he'll kick medium speed. Oh, and he
missed it. So ball in hand.
At yun nga, hindi ulit na patamaan ni Tony ang ono sa isang kick shot. Ito talaga ang kahinaan niya. Alam nito ni Efren kaya ginagawan niya na matinding depensa. Magpapatuloy siya dito ng ball in hand.
Ball. He has to get position on the 6 ball. He doesn't want to be straight in. I think he's going to be forced to go to the rail and back over to the other side of the table for the 6 ball. Perfect. To bounce off the rail so he's not on the rail.
Si Efren Reyes lang ang nakapasok sa Asian Player Top 4 sa event na ito. At kasalukuyan Top 8 sa Pro Tour na ito.
That's for balance. You want to be balanced when you shoot.
We'll be back with more right after this. Good.
It's another great break. Where's the 2 ball? He made...
Ito na ang pang-siyam na rack. Lamang pa rin si Efren 5-3. Nakuha ni Tony ang uno sa break at may tira pa siya sa dos.
Also following this match, but that nice combination goes.
And now he's forced to shoot a kick shot.
Be out of there, but he's got to get to the 2.
He elected to shoot a jump shot there, which I thought was a wrong choice, because even if he had jumped over the ball, he probably would have went off the...
So they don't get lucky.
Ball in hand.
It's unbelievable because...
Sunod-sunod na ang pagkakamali dito ng American player. Sinubukan niya mag-jump shot, kaya lang, palyado. Tumama ang cue ball sa ibang object ball, kaya napaul ito. Nagsimula ulit si Efren dito ng ball in hand.
Yeah, I happen to think that Don Mackey, the commissioner of the Pro Players Tour, made a good choice there. Did, but I think that Don, it was his idea. He thought it was getting a little bit ridiculous, and I think he brought it to the...
Sinisigurado dito ni Efren na parurusahan niya ang bawat pagkakamali ng katunggali. Sa panahon ito, unti-unti na nakikilala ang pangalan Efren Reyes sa buong Amerika dahil sa mga malalaking tournaments na napapalanulan niya at susubukan ng magician na masungkit ang US Open title.
Through. That ball, he goes through about 10 inches. He's made two balls on the break. He's got a nice shot. He's got a nice shot. One ball right here. He's going to hit this with low right English. Notice he's cueing the cue ball low right hand English.
What does that make the ball do? Although we just said it was pretty.
Yeah, well, what it'll do, it'll come off the rail, and it'll bring the cue ball back up towards the 2 ball. That's what they're down in the 2. It was a good break for him.
1, 2, 3, and 4 are gone. He tries to set himself up now for the 5.
Ito na ang rating, mga kabilyar. Ang score ay dito ay 6-3. In favor pa rin kay Efren Reyes.
Efren Reyes.
Mukhang magaling na break at run out na naman.
Beautiful.
Efren Reyes. A big lead over Tony Allen. It's 4 now. 7.
Kind of a tough break for him.
Kung umabot kayo sa puntong ito, mga kabilyard, huwag kalimutan i-like ang video at paki-comment na rin kung nasaan kayo nanonood. Maraming salamat po.
For everybody. The only time he was down in this game was 1-0.
Ito na ang Rock 12, si Tony Allen ang nag-break. Kaya lang mukhang hindi umuubra ang malakas na break shot niya. Dry break kaya si Efren Reyes na ang magpapatuloy. Si Efren Reyes ay naging matagumpay ng paghahaksik ng kanyang galing sa paglalaro ng billiard sa Estados Unidos kung saan siya ay tinuring na isang embida sa larangan ng billiard. Ang kanyang mga magaling na hakbang sa diskarte ay larong nagdulot na malawakang epekto sa komunidad ng billiard sa US. Nangantong na pagkakaroon na higit sa pagpapahalaga ng mga bilyardista mula sa Pilipinas. At pasensya na mga kabilyard at wala tayong kuha sa huling rack sa match na ito. Ganun pa man, nanalo pa rin si Efren Reyes sa semifinal match kontra kay Tony Allen sa score na 9-4. Nakapasok si Efren Reyes sa final kung saan nakatunggalin niya ang number 1 players ng Amerika na si Nick Barner. Ito ang Pudis final kung saan nasa hill na si Efren 8-6. Naging dominante si Efren sa match na ito at hindi nakapaghanda ang defending champion sa galing ng Pinoy.
It's just that it came around.
He's got to watch the 9 ball. He doesn't touch the 9 ball.
Check.
Draw the 2 ball back. Low English. There it is.
The jinx is over. Efren Reyes, his first major title. It's the US Open in 1994.
At sa uli, nanaig ang galing ng Filipino player. Naging overall champion ito sa napaka-prestigyosong tournament sa United States. Si Efren Reyes din ang unang Pilipino na nakasungkit ng US Open 9-ball title sa kasaysayan. Dito na sumikat na lalo si Efren Reyes sa buong Amerika at nagsimula na rin siyang makilala sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga kabilyar. Hanggang sa susunod na match, the greatest ball player all the time, Efren Bata Reyes. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ikaw kabilyar, ano ang masasabi mo sa performance pinakita ni Efren Reyes sa match na ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!